A very good morning, my dear students. So we are doing simple equations. By now it must be very clear what is an equation is. Okay, and to a very extent, I believe to a very extent you have understood how to get the value of a variable. That means how to get the value of unknown. Maybe x, maybe y, maybe a, maybe b, maybe c. Alright, these are unknown values. When you write something like this, 3 plus x is equal to 2. 3 plus x is equal to 2. That means x is unknown to us. And this unknown is nothing but the variable. Clear? So this all you know, by now it is very clear that how to get the value of a variable. Okay, so based on this we will be doing exercise 4.3 and not very difficult exercise, it's easy, you can do it. Okay, but today I'll be teaching something on the board. I don't know it's how far you will understand this, but the same thing again I have written in a piece of paper. Go through it. I think all the problems will be solved through that piece of paper. Okay, so watch the videos very carefully, very nicely and very patiently.
A very good morning, my dear students. So we are doing simple equations and the exercise is 4.3. Now you know very well what is an equation is. An equation means equal. When we make two things equal in general, let us say in general, suppose let me take these two books. I have got two books in my hand, and if I put it in the same level, in the same position, that means they are equal. Now if one of the book goes little lower position, it means this book is heavier than this book and this book is lighter than this book. Clear? So that is called unequal or inequality. Now my dear students, so we are doing simple equation. It means equality of two statements. Now what happens? Suppose let us take an equation. Suppose if I write x minus 4, if I write 2 here, if I have to bring this minus 4 this side, it will become plus 4 and the answer will be 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Correct? Now it means what? When we shift a number to the other side, the sign changes. This method is called transpose. Correct? This method is called transpose. We are shifting one number from one place to the other side, to the other place. That means suppose this is my left hand and this is right hand. So this left hand, when we shift a number from left hand to the right hand, to the right hand side, the sign changes. If it is multiplication, it becomes division. For example, if I write 3x is equal to 6, this means x is equal to 6 by 3. That is answer is 2. So what I mean to say is that when we shift a number or when we transpose a number from one place to the other, the sign changes. Remember, from right hand side to left hand side or left hand side to right hand side. Clear? Then only the sign will change. But suppose if a number is like this, x plus 6 plus x is equal to 2. Now if I bring this x here, x plus 6 equal to 2. Here the sign will not change. Remember my dear students, here the sign will not change. But if I have to take this 6 to this side, then the sign will change. In that case, this will become 2x is equal to 2 minus 6. Here the sign will change. Okay. Based on the same concept, we will do this question number 2 of exercise 4.3. Question number 1 we already did, so we will do today question number 2. Now, what does it mean? This is a bracket. This question is 2 in the bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12. That means 2 is multiplied to both x plus 4, or we can say that 2 is common. Correct? Now what we will do, first there are two ways of doing this. First we can multiply, then we get the value of x, or we can divide this 12 by this 2. Clear? Any one method we can do. Let me teach you both the methods. Suppose if I do this way, if I have to bring this 2 to this side, this will become 12 divided by 2. Remember, 12 divided by 2 is same as this. Both has got the same meaning. Clear? So 12 divided by 2, the answer is 6 here x is equal to 6 minus 4, the answer is 2. Plus 2 become minus this side. So this is implies. Okay, this implies x plus 4 is equal to 12 divided by 2. X plus 4 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 minus 4. X is equal to 2. So this is how we get the value of x. Now let me talk about the other method. Suppose if I want to multiply this, let me write OR here. OR means the other method. Suppose if I multiply this 2 with this bracket, what I will get? I will get 2x plus 2 into 4 is equal to 12. That implies 2x plus 8 is equal to 12. Again, this implies 2x is equal to 12 minus 8. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 divided by 2. Answer is 2. Clear? Now see, we are getting the same answer 2. We are getting the same answer 2. Here also we are getting 2. Correct? So what I mean to say is that you do by any method, by this way or this way, both the methods are correct, but be careful when you shift a number from one place to the other place, or from one side to the other side, or let us say from right hand side to the left hand side, the sign changes. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. So this was a very simple question that was 2 into, bracket means into here, x plus 4 is equal to 12. We have to get the value of the variable, that is x here. Correct? So this is how I did this question. Clear? Now if I have to take a different question here, all the questions are of same type, there is no change here. Let me take the C part. Suppose if I take the C part, the C part is 3, it is n minus 5. This is 3 n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. The method is exactly same, only the numbers are different. I have to find out the value of n. Solve for n. Sometimes what happens, they write solve. Solve means solve for x, solve for y, solve for n. That means find out the value of x, find out the value of y. In this case, we have to find out the value of n. Now, let me do by this second method, like what we did in the previous question. Here again, 3 multiplied to this bracket, that is n minus 5. It means 3 into n minus 3 into 5 is equal to minus 21. So this will give me 3n minus 15 is equal to minus 21. Clear? This symbol stands for implies. Again, minus 15 will go this side. See, I cannot simplify this number. Why? Because they are unlike terms. They are not like terms. They are unlike terms. So I cannot add or subtract or add or subtract. Clear? So therefore, this will be like this. This minus 15 will go this side. This will become plus 15. So we will get 3n is equal to 21 minus 15 is how much? That is minus 6. Clear? So this implies n is equal to minus 6 by 3. The answer is minus 2. Clear? So here the answer is minus 2. If I do by another method like OR, I can directly divide here because it is this 3 is multiplied. So when I shift this number 3 to this side, it will become division. So what I will get? N minus 5 is equal to minus 21 divided by 3. I am writing divided by 3. So what does it mean? It means is equal to minus 7. So n is equal to minus 7. Minus 5 will go this side. This will become plus 5. So n is equal to minus 2. Now see this. Both are same. You can use any one of these methods. Okay? So keep practicing. You will understand everything. So my dear students, today I am doing only question number 2. The rest of the question, the rest of the parts, please try yourself. And in case any problem, I am always there to help you out. Okay? Thank you so much. That's all for today's class.
Okay, my dear students, we'll start with this exercise 4.3. and question number 1 we have already done, so we'll do question number 2. So today let us start with question number 2. Clear? So I'll be taking A part and the C part. They all are same, but little changes they have made, but all the questions are of same type. So let me start with this question number 2A part. Now see here, this is given as 2 in the bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12. It means 2 is multiplied to x also and to 4 also. In other words, you can say that 2 is common, 2 is taken out as common from x and 4. So our step will be like this: 2 into x plus 2 into 4 is equal to 12. Then we'll proceed. Okay. Now the solution I've run it here. See here, 2 in the bracket x plus 4, 2 in the bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12. So 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 4, here it is, 12, here it is. So 2 into x is 2x. Remember my dear students, I didn't write into here. Whether you write or whether you don't write, it makes no difference. The same thing, it is 2x, 2 into 4 is 8 is equal to 12. Now this plus 8 will go this side. Remember, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Whenever you shift a number from left hand side to right hand side, the sign changes, as I told in my previous video. So this plus 8 will become minus 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. So now x is equal to 4 will be divided by 2, because this is multiplication. 2 into x is multiplication. So 2 will divide here. I mean 4 divided by 2. The answer is 2. Correct. Now we can do the same question in another way also. 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Here this is 2 is multiplied to this. That means if I bring this to this side, it will divide. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Again plus 4 you bring this side. This is minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Clear? So in both the cases we are getting the same answer. Do by any method, it's up to you. Alright, let me draw a line here. Okay, now let us do to C part. Same thing it is. See, multiplied, then bring this number. This is minus here. So minus, this minus is this minus 15 you bring this side, it will become plus 15. So minus 21 plus 15 is minus 6. Why minus 6? Because this number is greater and its sign is minus. So minus 6. So n is equal to minus 6 divided by 3. Answer is equal to minus 2. Correct? The same way the same question can be done in different way. This is 3 is multiplied, and 3 if I put it here, it will become minus 21 divided by 3. Answer is minus 7. Minus 5 we bring this side, this will become plus 5. So answer will get minus 2. Correct? So this is how I did 2 parts for you. Now question number 3, here it is. Question number 3 is solve the following equations. Now from this question I have taken only this part, because this is exactly same. These two are same. Only the difference is that they are writing this number this side and they are writing this one this side. That makes no difference. Clear? So I have taken only the E part. Here it is. I'll show you. Now see here, this is 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 m minus 6. Same it is 6. Here plus 16 has gone this side, so it has become minus 16. There is no sign, that means it is plus. So plus 16 has gone this side, that is to left hand side, it has become minus 16. Now multiply 4 into m, 4m, 4 6 are 24. Okay, so we get 4m minus 24. Now in the next step, what can we do? We can bring the like terms together. In this case, minus 16 and minus 24 both are constant. So we can bring these two terms together, and 4m we can separate. So what I did, minus 16 I brought it here, it became plus 16. Correct? And this 4m I took it this side, it became minus 4m. Correct? Because this is plus 4m. So therefore m will be minus 8 by minus 4. Correct? So answer is, this minus minus is cut, this minus minus cut, so answer will be plus 2. Okay, I think this is very clear. We can do the same question by different way as per this. Now see here, the question is same, But what I have done, I have brought this 0 this side and this one I brought it this side. I did not change the sign because I have shifted the whole thing to left hand side, and 0 I have shifted to the right thing, the right hand side. Okay, whenever you shift a number, the whole, the everything, all the numbers from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, and then again you shift left hand side to right hand side, no need to change the sign. Then it is the meaning is same. Clear? You write this is equal to this or this is equal to this, the meaning is same. So that's what I have done. Then you know what to do. Plus 16 will go this side, this is minus 16. Now minus 16 divided by 4, because this is multiplied, so you can divide here. So you'll get minus 4. Minus 6 you bring this side, this will become plus 6. So minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. See here, my dear students, we are getting the same answer. Here also plus 2 and here also plus 2. Okay, so easy question, not that difficult. I hope you can do it. Okay, and the parts which I have not taken, please try yourself.